Hello everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily pair your Garmin inReach Mini 2 to your mobile device. So first, what you guys need to do is click on the Garmin Messenger app right after installing it. It is available on Play Store and App Store, so don't worry. Now open it, and here you need to click Get Started. Now here what you need to do is enter your phone number, so that's what I'm going to do now. And after that, click Next. The next step would be the verification code that will be provided to you in the messages. So as you guys can see, right after I enter the verification code, this is what I have here. So what we need to do is enable permissions. So head over Next, click Done. And here, if we want to pair our device, we need to get our Garmin. Now click OK, and now go to Settings. Here we need to select Phone, and now click the status once, so it says waiting for phone, and now click Pair Phone. Now leave it like that, and what you guys need to do now is click on the gear icon and click on Add Device, and it will detect it automatically, as you guys can see. Now we're gonna click Connect it, and now here, as you guys can see, it says connected to iPhone. It can be any device that you use. Now you guys need to create an account, so we need to click Create Account. And now there's name, email address, you need to retype it and enter the password. So let me do it quickly. Now as you guys can see, after entering all of this, we have the activation required. And now after we click activate, what you guys will see is just like that. We need to select our country. So let me do it real quick. Now click Next. Here you need to choose a plan because it's not free. You can choose the essential one, the standard, and the premium. As you guys can see, the prices are all here. But if you do not want to activate any plans, simply click Cancel. And this should be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.